Hey friends, thank you so much for watching. Today I'm going to be sharing a day in the life video, sharing my busy mom life, work from home life, filming, cleaning, and doing everything in between. And you guys know being a mom is so busy, but it's always important to care for yourself. And so I'm so honored to be working with Clinique on their Fresh Press products. Thank you so much, Clinique, for sponsoring and collaborating this video. I'm going to show you guys how I use the products and how it saves me time because it's so quick and it's very effective. So let's begin with what happens first thing in the morning. So Liam actually woke us up like at 5 a.m. and he was like, okay, everybody, let's wake up. And I was like, nope, not yet. But I ended up waking up, and Liam likes to wake up Jakey too. So he went into Jacob's room and woke him up as well. And they like to cuddle each other and play around. And while they do that, that is actually a great time for me to actually look through the drawers and figure out what the boys are gonna wear in the morning. Usually I do this the night before, but sometimes I'm just so tired I don't even do it the night before. I just figure it out in the morning. But I'm that person who likes to stay organized and figures it out most of the time the night before. It just saves you a lot of time, right? Yeah, so here I am just figuring out what the weather is gonna be like and what the kids are gonna be wearing. And then after that, I picked out the outfits. We like to go rock on Jacob's rocking chair and look through books. Right now, they like learning about farm animals and construction vehicles and dogs. That's like their thing right now. After we read a book, it's time to change clothes. It happens very fast, and our routine is very early in the morning because I like to dedicate some time with the kids early in the morning, you know? And then I'm gonna dress the kids. Jakey is so difficult to dress, but Liam dressed himself. Go Liam! He is such a ham in this video. And now it's breakfast time. Let's all go downstairs. Jakey's all about independence, if you guys have noticed. He's now 2. And he's all about like doing it himself, but he needs to hold my hand going down the stairs. And I don't know about you, I cannot function without coffee in the morning. So here I am making my morning iced coffee. I just like my coffee with a little bit of ice, and that's it. And sometimes some sugar, but most of the time it's just ice and coffee. And for breakfast, this time around, we just have different things for breakfast. But today we're making some scrambled eggs. I mean, that's my boy's favorite. Like Jakey loves scrambled eggs. Liam likes oatmeal, so I did a little bit of both for them. And I also love to eat eggs and oatmeal as well. And for the side, I'm going to give them some strawberries because they love their fruit. And of course, some toast for me because I was feeling like toast. Like I love toast with butter and with jam, and Liam loves it too. So here we are, just having our breakfast. And then it's time for me to pack the boys' lunch. I do this the night before. They usually just have leftovers from yesterday night. And then I also pack their snack. A little bit of a dance break while I'm doing all the packing and getting them ready, brushing their teeth and all of that. Liam likes to dance. He is such a dancer. And then Jakey got oatmeal all over his t-shirt, if you guys saw that. So here I am changing his t-shirt into something else that's cleaner because I don't want to send him to school with oatmeal all over himself. That's not cool. And now we're gonna brush their teeth, and I like to sing the brushing my teeth, I'm having so much fun, I never let the water run. Do you guys sing that song too when you brush your kids' teeth? And now it's time for the boys to go to school. And I usually go to the gym. Justin actually takes the kids to school so I can make it to a body pump class. And today I also took a spring class, so I got it in twice at the gym. When I get back from the gym all stinky and sweaty, I'm like, well, I'm already sweaty and smelly. Let me get some cleaning done. So I did a load of laundry, which is a daily thing. Not even daily, it's like twice a day. Like, I don't know, we just have a lot of laundry. And now it's time to put away the clean dishes from last night. I do this every day. I'm definitely gonna do a morning routine video where I like show you guys all my entire morning cleaning schedule because it's something that comes naturally to me, and because I work from home, it's really important for me to have a clean home because if it's not clean, I just feel like I need to clean it up before I get any work done. That's just my personality type and just part of working from home. Your home is your office pretty much, you know? And most of the things I can put in the dishwasher, but sometimes there are those big pots and pans that I can't. So I usually hand wash some, and then now it's time to wipe down the counters because I had crumbs from the toast and everything, and I just like to wipe it down. We have 3 cats, you know, and so it's important for me to always disinfect and wipe down counters because those cats, they act like they're innocent, but then they end up like jumping on the tables when I don't see. And now it's time for shower time, and it's also time to learn about the Clinique Fresh Press Clinicals, which is part of my skincare regimen now. I'm using the Clinique Fresh Press Clinical Daily Boosters. In the morning, I like using the Clinique Fresh Press Clinical Daily Booster with vitamin C. And then in the evening, I use the Clinique Fresh Press Overnight Booster with pure vitamin A. As a mom, it's very important for me to, you know, have self-care, but at the same time make my skincare regimen really fast because mom life, work life is a busy life, you know what I mean? You're gonna remove the foil. And next, you're gonna pressly firm the inner bulb 2 times to release vitamin into the de-aging soothing emulsion. So that's what it's looking like. And now the fun part, you're ready to shake for 15 seconds. So do a little dance, shake it up, and then you're gonna go ahead and provide 2 to 3 pumps with your moisturizer that you use in the morning. And then I like to mix it up with my hands and apply it all over my face. So vitamin C is actually going to instantly brighten your skin, and then you're gonna see a remarkable even tone and retexturized skin with continued use. And it feels really good, and I like knowing that like it's working throughout the day while I'm just doing my work, you know what I mean? So after that, it's now time for me to apply some makeup, and the thing is, every day is different. Some days I wear makeup and some days I don't. It depends on whether or not it's a filming day. If it's a filming day, I'm gonna wear a good amount of makeup, but if it's not, I'm gonna just not wear any makeup at all and just edit. And then after makeup, it's time to film. Hey friends, thanks for watching. Today we're going to be talking about the Clinique Fresh Press Clinical Daily and Overnight Boosters. It is life-changing. It saves time. For anyone who has a busy schedule, I am looking for getting rid of wrinkles, tightening my skin, and it's going to be doing all of that. So after filming, I always change back into pajamas. I mean, I was already wearing pajama pants when I was filming, but I wear my PJs and then I write a list of the things I need to do, and then I edit the video that I was already filming. And in between that, I like to take a little break and reply to my comments on Instagram. My Instagram is AprilAthena7. If you guys notice, I reply to all of you guys. And then after that, I take a little break from editing because that's just how I am. Like, I'll finish it up, but then there's like different rounds of editing. And then after I finish one round, I pretty much do some housework. So we had family coming over the next day, and so I wanted to organize Liam's closet just because I didn't want them thinking, dang, this mom is messy. She didn't even fix her kids' closets. So I hecka organized it because we had people staying over there. My mom, my sister, everyone. Bubby Saba, which is Justin's mom and stepdad, came into town. They all stayed at our house, so I had to clean and organize the house. And it was awesome because the kids had like a joint birthday party the next day. But it was a lot of cleaning, you guys. And then after that, it's dinner time. Justin's with the kids. They're playing outside while I make some dinner. It's just, you know, kids be a little crazy around the kitchen. So I would rather have them play outside with Justin while I'm cooking in peace. It's very nice, actually. So this night, I actually just made some couscous and some green beans and chicken. And while I'm cooking, I like to multitask. I am like the queen of multitasking. I plan out everything in advance in my head. So while I'm cooking, I'm also putting away the dishes that I did from the morning. And then after that, I usually also like to put some dishes in. I like to clean as I cook. And then it's time to feed my babies, my other babies, my fur babies, Sunrise, Charlie, and Mr. Bob, their dinner. They're having some dry food in the morning. They have wet food. And so I want to show you guys my cats. So the orange one is Sunrise, and the gray one is Charlie. And then Mr. Bob, he is actually very shy, so you'll see him later. But Mr. Bob is this black and white cat. There he is. Isn't he beautiful? He likes to eat alone, so he's just over there watching the other cats eat and waits. And then I'm over here tossing a salad. It was just a salad that I bought at the store. It's nothing that I created myself. So I put everything into bowls because the kids like to serve themselves, but sometimes I serve them, you know? So we're having green bean salad, couscous, some chicken that I shredded for the kids, and some pineapples. And now it's dinner time. I love that my kids like to scoop their own food, but let me tell you, the cleanup afterwards is insane. We have couscous everywhere. Couscous in their pants, couscous in his diaper. I don't even know how it gets everywhere, but that's okay. Like, it's all part of learning, and I'm the type of mom who allows my kids to get messy. Oh my gosh, did you guys see that? I tried to give Jacob green beans and he's like, no ma'am, you better take that away from me. So it's okay. I tried though, but I ended up eating the green beans since he didn't want it. And then for dessert, we drove out to get ice cream because it was a very special day, you guys. Jakey, it was his last day as a 1-year-old. It was his birthday the next day, and we wanted to do something special, so we went out for ice cream afterwards. And then after that, it is bath time. I gave them a bath. I put them in their pajamas, and now it is our bedtime routine. It's time to read books. And then after books, I sing songs, and then Jakey goes to sleep, and Liam does too. And then now it's time for my nighttime skincare regimen. I am using the Clinique Fresh Press Booster with vitamin A, which is retinol. And I showed you guys how to use it already. But vitamin A, it penetrates deeply into the skin surface, and over time your skin appears revitalized, and there's going to be less lines and wrinkles, and it's going to be refilled, and it's going to give a youthful tone. And you guys know, like I said, mama is 34. I'm getting to that age where skincare, anti-aging is so important to me. So here I am applying my nighttime skincare regimen. And then it was very quick and easy. I like tapping my face. It's very relaxing in the evening, you know. I really look forward to the evenings with my husband. And let me show you why. It's laundry time with my love. We joke around, we just fold laundry, and then after we put the laundry away, sometimes we'll watch a show together, but most of the time we will do work. I will edit more videos or do a round 2 of the video I was editing, and then it's time to sleep. Thanks for watching.